We are going to attempt to move the shed without taking it apart from one spot in the yard to another. This is probably one of those things that will never make YouTube. And I'm thinking that safety third is probably the...
You think so?
Yeah. More later.
Okay, here's the concoction we got. Note the backhoe back in the back. Just be aware, like a bunch of other our crazy ideas, if this doesn't make it, we just throw it away. We only want it for one more week. They're going to deliver our new shed from a truck and set it out here on the ground. And we'd like to put this shed over it. Hey, someone's stealing our shed.
That actually is working.
This
I
is...
don't think the shed is totally falling apart yet.
No, this is one of our crazier ideas.
Yeah.
The backhoe is not holding it up right now. It's just dragging those last pieces, which is okay. But the backhoe was holding it up when we were trying to get it out of the original.
Looks like you need to move the thing just a tad bit.
Surprised we haven't poked a hole in the roof yet with the backhoe.
Yeah.
Now we have to figure out where to put it in the interim here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we got a second ladder under it now, lifted up with the backhoe. And so now we have it completely lifted with the tractor. You never know what kind of crazy things we do. Neighbor Bob, he loaned us the ladder. He probably thinks this is the stupidest thing he's ever seen. What do you think of this plan, Bob?
I don't know what you're trying to do. I know it's moving, that's working okay.
Moving, it's working okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we wanted to put the, to be able to move it and put it over top of the new shed parts when they come.
Oh, okay. I understand what you're doing now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're just fixing a new storage place.
Yeah, we're going to put a new shed in, but temporarily we're going to set this over the top of the...
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, that's a good idea.
And then after that, you can have it. I think it's kind of funny to watch Christy driving blind. She doesn't have any idea where she's going, so she can't see anything.
No? But she can see it in front of her. Are you going to put it on top of the hill?
Well, eventually, yeah, I think so. I'll just have her go ahead and do that. I think she's doing good. We're going to get to see her probably blank stare here in just a minute. I find this humorous. It's actually working a lot better than I thought it might, Bob.
Oh, it's working fine. Really need to move stuff over there.
That was fun. I can't imagine why Tim let me drive.
It was enjoyable watching you drive out there where you couldn't see where you're going to.
I couldn't see, wasn't sure when to turn, but it turned out I actually did pretty well to
You did great.
to come in and get it over the fire pit. And
The whole plan worked perfectly.
yeah, I'm amazed that we actually got it moved. I didn't have to take the thing apart. So, pretty cool.